This is gonna be a tour of my home, pointing out all of the things and where they're at. So we're gonna start with the outside tour. I'm just gonna kind of go through all the cubbies, outside and then inside. I talked about the Sirkles designs in another video, but anyway, this is my water system. So I've got gray water, fresh water, which hoses up to the sink, garbage, and then that's just an empty bin that I throw my dirty clothes in when I take them out. And this hatch goes to inside, so I can throw the dirties, the garbage out into that garbage, so it smell bad stuff stays outside. So this is my port with all of my power stuff. So there's my inverter, this is my battery for my solar, that's a thing for the solar. I got solar panels on the roof. Yeah. I have 2 fuel tanks. They're both 20 gallons. It's really expensive to fill up. Close, there we go. This is kind of what I call my garage. This is a similar thing except with dirty clothes. So there's a lot of dirty clothes. I need to do laundry, but there's a hatch up in there that I stuff dirty clothes in. And then this is like vehicle maintenance stuff. So I got a toolkit, a tire pump, and a oil in a bucket and stuff like that. This is the back, which I didn't unlock, but underneath it there's just massive storage. I've got my paddle board in there, I've got spray paints, I've got tents, that kind of stuff, camp chairs. This is my favorite compartment. So I do medieval combat, mostly foam stuff, and this is where I store all of my wacky bats. So it's kind of packed to the brim, and I also sell stuff from Forge Foam, if you've heard of them. They're pretty good. Well, actually they're the best, I think, as far as a store to buy foam swords. And this is where I put armor, shields, and my smelly stuff and small weapons. Oh, I also have shields kind of blocking off my window and making insulation. So I've got 2 shields up there. Anyway, this last compartment on the outside is a pantry thing. So I can load groceries from outside. So that's like breakfasty stuff, lunch and suppery stuff, and then this is like sewing stuff, microscope. But this can access outside as well as inside. So these are the same compartments, except you can't like see this one because it's to the inside. So this is cleaning stuff, that's drink stuff. This is that same breakfast stuff here, so there's that Bisquick. That same lunch stuff here. And in here I have like sewing machine, shipping stuff, microscope stuff, lots of stuff. Let's go ahead and give you a look around inside. Shai gave me a katana. So I have my long wacky bat polearm across the roof, a giant map board, which I'll do another video explaining all of the places I've been and where I plan on going. Oh, I have my wet stuff hanging. So I got my wetsuit, my towel hanging on the door. I put shoes down there. Anyway, massive bed, queen size memory foam, under sink storage for under sink stuff. Inside the sink, I have dirties, yay. But this is to the sink, this is to the garbage from outside. This is like kitchen storage, so I've got like paper plates and plastic bags and cooking utensils, a cooler for refrigerator, and a stove there. Oh, under the sink I have an Instapot and light cleaning stuff. So this is my chair and my freezer, yay. This is where I keep my active work. So this is the projects I'm working on now. And some just quick access junk drawer and a heater. There's a heater in there, which the heater comes out here. It's a nice diesel heater. This is more work stuff. So this is where I keep my Cricut and more art supplies. This is like bathroom stuff. And then clothes. These are clothes that I made. Shirts, pants, like jackets, dresses, hoodies, scarves, and then I have my markers and my pencils. And then underneath that I have like an electronics drawer, and then underneath there's the flappy. I'll just show you. So here's the dirty clothes flappy, which is full because I need to do laundry. And yeah, I think that's everything. Cytonic hyperdrive. Yay, Doomslug. This is the front bit, which is typical somebody living in their vehicle, got trash everywhere. That's mostly shipping stuff. I should keep better track of that. Got rear view cameras, which are nice. Yeah, this is my home. Tea is important. Okay, so yeah, that is that. In my next video, I'm going to talk about my maps. Yay.